This is a 70-year-old man with a large area of band keratopathy. The area of band keratopathy was large and elevated and was causing the patient recurrent erosions. He also has an underlying 2 to 3 plus nuclear sclerotic cataract. At the beginning of the procedure, I removed the large elevated deposits using a corneal spud to perform blunt dissection. After the largest of the deposits are removed, the remaining areas are chelated away with EDTA solution. This is achieved with a gentle rubbing motion and usually takes less than 60 seconds. Once the band keratopathy was successfully removed, cataract extraction proceeded in typical fashion. Intracameral lidocaine is placed in preparation for placement of a malugin ring. The anterior chamber is filled with viscoelastic, and the cornea is covered with viscoelastic to aid visualization beneath the epithelial defect. A malugin ring is placed. A capsulorhexis and hydrodissection are performed. The nucleus is gently disassembled and emulsified. The cortex is aspirated away, followed by implantation of the intraocular lens. The malugin ring is gently removed, followed by aspiration of the viscoelastic. After stromal hydration around the primary incisions, intracameral antibiotic is placed. Finally, a bandaged contact lens is placed for patient comfort, completing the case. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.